Good morning, students. Welcome to Lord's Group of Schools, Day 3. Polynomials. Today discussion about how to draw the graph of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, the graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola shape. So parabola means, this is a parabola shape. So that is upward or downward. This is a upward or downward is based on the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Next, how to draw the graph of quadratic polynomial? Today discussion. Now, for example, I will take draw the graph of x square minus 5x plus 6. So draw the graph of x square minus 5x plus 6 and to find the zeros through graph. Means what is the given polynomial? Let that polynomial you have to take, let y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. In some cases he giving for a graph of y is equal to, here not mentioned, that time you have to take, let y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. First you need one table. How to prepare? In a given polynomial, what variable is present? X is the variable. Now start with x first. Next, what is the first term of the given quadratic polynomial? X square. Next, second term minus 5x. Next, constant is 6. The total result is y. So you have to take x side, x values maximum in a quadratic polynomial. You have to take minus 4, from minus 4 to plus 4 you have to take it. This is the table for framing. First, table framing is very important. What variable is present? That variable you have to start. What is the first term? Second term? Constant. The total result represented with y, that only result y. So, place of x always maximum in quadratic polynomial. You have to take minus 4 2 plus 4. Now here, first x square is required. Now if we take place of x, x is equal to minus 4, means in the place of x you have to take minus 4 whole square, 16. Why? Because here negative or positive whatever may be, if that variable consisting square, that result always positive, because whatever may be the symbol, power is an even number, that result is always positive. Next to place of x minus 3 whole square, 9, minus 2 whole square, 4, minus 1 whole square, 1, 0 will 0, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. Means here first x square means what terms are present, what numbers are present. The numbers you have to write square forms, that only x square. Next comes to minus 5x. In the place of x, if we take first minus 4, minus 5 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 5 into 4, 20. Next to minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15. Minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. Minus into minus plus 5 1s are 5. Means here what number? That number only instead of x you have to taking that number multiplication. You have to keep place of x 0, the term will be 0. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Here, what is the constant? Every time, like that only, you have to write 6, 6, 6. There is no change. So, actually, given problem, these three terms only. X square minus 5x plus 6. These three terms only have to calculate along with the symbols only. 16 plus 20, 36 plus 6, 42. 9 plus 15, 24 plus 6, 30. 4 plus 10, 14 plus 6, 20. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 0, 0, 6, 6 is there. Now you have to observe in three terms, two are positive symbols. This same symbol values you have to add. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, minus 5, 2. 4 plus 6, 10, minus 10, 0. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 15, minus 15, 0. 16 plus 6, 22, minus 20, plus 2. So y value is completed. After that, you have to write the ordered pairs of this table. When you take in place of x minus 4, you get 42. Minus 4 comma 42. Minus 3 comma 30. Minus 2 comma 20. Minus 1 comma 12. 0 comma 6. 1 comma 2. 2 comma 0. 3 comma 0. 4 comma 2. These are the ordered pairs. X value comma y value. Like that you have to ordered pairs. Now take a graph sheet. X-axis and y-axis. You have to observe the x values maximum you are taking minus 4 to plus 4 only. Then you have to write scale on x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. 1, 2, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Next comes to y values. You have to observe the y values. 42 is the greatest number. Means you need 42. So this graph is not sufficient. Plotting 1, 2, 3 up to 42. That time you take 1 centimeter 1 in 5 units. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Here I'll say minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, minus 40, minus 45. Next to plot the points. First minus 4 comma 42. X value is minus 4, y value is 42. X value minus 4 here, y value plus 42. Upside. Keep here. Minus 3 comma 30. Minus 3, 30. Keep the point. Minus 2 comma 20. Minus 2 comma 20. Here this point is minus 4 comma 42. This point is minus 3 comma 30. This point is minus 2 comma 20. Next minus 1 comma 12. Minus 1, 12. Means 10, 15 before, between minus 1 comma 12. Next to 0 comma 6, x value is 0, y value in present means this point on y axis only 6. You have to keep 6. This is 0 comma 6. Next to 1 comma 2, 1, 2, 1 comma 2. Next to 2 comma 0. Here x value is present, y value is absent. That time this point is on x-axis only. 2 comma 0 on x-axis. 2. 3 comma 0, y value is absent. This point also on x-axis. 3. 4 comma 2. 4, 2. Just you don't use the scale. By hand you have to draw the points. Join the points. So here where is intersected with x-axis, these two numbers are acting as a zeros of this particular polynomial. This shape is called parabola. Means the shape of quadratic polynomial is parabola. That is upward or downward. These two are depends upon the coefficient of x square only. This is the graph of the quadratic polynomial. Next, one more example. In a given, draw the graph of y is equal to x square minus 4x, if like that asking. Three terms are not present, two terms only present, draw the graph. So same process, in a given polynomial, what variable is present? That variable only have to start, prepare the table first, x. What is the first term of the polynomial? X square. Second term, minus 4x. Here constant term is absent. Next the total result will be y. Now what I said, x plus maximum you have to take in this type of polynomials, minus 4 onwards. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first of all, this is the table framing. X value minus 4, x square minus 4 whole square 60, minus 3 whole square 9, minus 2 whole square 4, minus 1 whole square is 1, 0. Whatever may be the base, negative or positive, but power is an even number, that result always positive. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Next. Here minus 4, in the place of x you take minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Now we will take minus into minus plus 4 into 4, because place of x I took minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 60. Minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. Minus 4 into minus 1, 4. Minus 4 into 0, 0. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 4 into 4, minus 16. Means here what is the coefficient of the x? That number and this particular values you have to multiply. Here one thing you have to observe. If a second term x coefficient is containing negative symbol, the front of the zeros values are positive, after 0 values are negative. Next comes to y. This two only problem. X square minus 4x. Means these two values only have to calculate. 16 plus 16, 32. 9 plus 12, 21. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 4, 5. 0. 1 minus 4, minus 3. Why? Because this is the greater number containing negative, then result also negative. 4 minus 8, minus 4. 1 positive, 1 negative subtraction, greater symbol only will getting. 9 minus 12, minus 3. 16 minus 16, 0. Now x values, y values, right ordered pair x comma y. When you take a minus 4, what you get? 32. Minus 4 comma 32. Minus 3 comma 21. Minus 2 comma 12. Minus 1 comma 5. 0 comma 0. Next 1 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 3. 4 comma 0. These are the ordered pairs. Next you take a graph paper. X, Y. Now x value is minus 4, 2 plus 4. Y values are up to the greatest number is 32. That's why you take on x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit only. On y-axis up to 32 is not sufficient graph. That time 1 centimeter you have to calculate 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Next comes to 1. Taking 5 units, 1 centimeter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, minus 40. Y-axis. Now, here first point minus 4 comma 32. Minus 4 is x value, 32 is y value. Minus 4, 32. 30, 35 between. Minus 3 comma 21. Minus 3, 21. Minus 2 comma 12. Minus 2 comma 12. Minus 1 comma 5, minus 1, 5. Compulsory rate the points here. Minus 4 comma 32, minus 3 comma 21, minus 2 comma 12, minus 1 comma 5. 0 comma 0 means that is origin. 1 comma minus 3, x value is 1, y value minus 3. 1 here, minus 3, 1 comma minus 3 here present, down. 2 comma minus 4, 2 here, minus 4. 3 comma minus 3, move stop again. 3 comma minus 3, minus 1, minus y, 0 between. 4 comma 0, 4. Now you have to use, what is this point? 1 comma minus 3. This is 2 comma minus 4. This is 3 comma minus 3. This is 0 comma 4 comma 0. Now you have to draw the graph. So here intersected with x-axis at 4, at 0. These two are acting as a zeros of this particular polynomial. Means what you observe, in a given polynomial, if constant term is absent, that parabola must and should passes through origin. That parabola must and should passes through origin. In a given polynomial, constant term is absent. Constant term is absent. Next question, if asking why are two and minus 3 are zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial x square 2 and 3, zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. Means why these two only are saying zeros of this particular polynomial? Means, so that what is the given polynomial? That polynomial you have to calculate p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. If we substitute place of x2, first of all, x is equal to 2. Now p of 2 is equal to 2 whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. Here 2 square 4 minus 5 2 is 10 plus 6. Here these two are positive symbol, 4 plus 6 is 10 minus 10. You will get the 0. Next comes to p of x is equal to I want next substitution place of x3, p of 3. Substitute in polynomial 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square is 9, 5 3s is 15 plus 6. These two are positive symbol addition, 15 minus 15. This will be 0. Means when you substitute in the place of x2, p of 2 is 0 you got, p of 3 also you got 0. Means here these two result when you substitute in the place of variable 2 or place of variable is 3, if you getting the results are 0, that's why these two are acting as a zeros of the polynomial. This is the result. Next comes to here difficult problem is, so find the zeros of x power 4 minus 16, like that asking. So you have to observe the given polynomial. Here variable is x only, but the power of variable, highest power of variable is 4. So that's why the degree of this polynomial is 4. Then this type of polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. So biquadratic polynomial means this type of polynomial consisting 4 zeros. Here asking find the zeros, whatever may be the polynomial. First of all, what is the given polynomial? Let p of x is equal to z, x power 4 minus 16. If you want to zeros of the polynomial, what is the given polynomial? That polynomial is equal to 0. X power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. See, listen carefully. In a previous, EPS square is present. That time you have to transfer 16 constant. That is okay. But here more than the 2. The power of variable is more than 2. That time constant number transferring is not existable. So how to do this model? Here what is that? X power 4, if possible you have to write x square whole square. 2 2 is 4. Minus, if possible here what is the constant number? This number you have to write in a square form. 4 square is equal to 0. You have to observe this total term is acting as a square minus b square is equal to a square minus b square form is present. The term formula a minus b into a plus b. Means you have to expand this one, a minus b into a plus b. A means x square minus b 4 into a plus b, x square a value plus b 4 is equal to 0. Now each factor is equal to 0. X square minus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here square is there. That time it got constant number you have to transfer. Not a problem. X square minus 4 transfer here plus 4. X, when it square is transferred to other side, you will get the root symbol. When you keeping root plus or minus. X is equal to plus or minus. Root 4 value is 2. Means x value is 1 time plus 2, 1 time minus 2. This 2. Next here x square plus 4 when you transfer to this side minus 4. X is equal to square value you have to transfer to that side root of minus 4 plus or minus. But under root value is negative. Under root value is negative. That type of number is called imaginary number. So how to write that number? X is equal to plus or minus. When you removing the negative symbol 4, instead of negative, I will write I square. Why? Because I square value is minus 1. So why? Because minus 4 can you write minus 1 into 4. So minus 1 into 4 is nothing but minus 4. That's why minus 1 place I written y square 4 as it is. X is equal to plus or minus root 4 means 2. Root I square is nothing but I. X value 1 time plus 2i, 1 time minus 2i. So this is a power is 4. So therefore degree of this polynomial is 4. That's why number of zeros of this polynomial is 4. Now 2 of zeros 2 comma minus 2. Other two zeros are 2i comma minus 2i. Now up to have to complete, not a problem. This is not part. So if negative, when you removing the negative, just you have to write I square. Why I written I? I means imaginary. The square I square value only minus 1. So this is the finding zeros of biquadratic polynomial.